Seguerra, born Aiza Yamsen Seguerra on September 17, 1983. Formerly Aiza Seguerra is a Filipino actor, singer-songwriter, director, and guitarist. Initially coming out as a lesbian in 2007, Seguerra also came out as a transgender man in 2014. On the 12th of August 2016, Seguerra was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as chairperson of the National Youth Commission. Seguerra first appeared as a 3-year-old contestant of Eat Bulaga's Little Miss Philippines. He subsequently became part of the show from 1987 to 1997. As a child star, Seguerra appeared in more than 30 movies and TV shows to date. He often portrayed the role of actor and fellow Eat Bulaga, Host Vic Soto's daughter in numerous films. He portrayed the role of Aiza Cabasod, daughter of Enteng Cabasod in OK Ka, Fairy Co. from 1987 to 1997. He only appeared in 6 films for Regal Films. At age 14, he competed in Bong Revilla's Invitational Shoot Fest 98 and has won several awards in the sport. During his late teens, Seguerra began pursuing a career in music, singing, and playing the guitar. His single Pag Dating NG Panahon became a major hit in 2001, which enabled him to start a music career. Seguerra won the Singing Bee on July 8, 2008, after Rachel Alejandro gave up her throne as defending champion due to other engagements. He defeated his co-contestant Singer Bichu in Escalante. Seguerra won Philippine peso 1,040,000 for a second time on July 10th, raising his total winnings to Philippine peso to 1,080,000. Seguerra also performed in Singapore for the Singapore Repertory Theatre presentation of the stage play Avenue Q. On January 7, 2013, Seguerra entered the Himig Handog P-Pop Love Songs contest as the interpreter for the song entry called Anong Nangyari Sa Ating Dalawa, written by Joe Vinertan. He performed the song in the grand finals on February 24th at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. The song eventually finished in first place for Best P-Pop Love Song, thus rewarding the writer of the song with 1 million pesos in cash. In 2015, he returned to GMA Network after 3 years to star in Princess in the Palace, which became a hit. Personal life, Seguerra is the only child of Decoroso Seguerra and Caridad Yamsen Seguerra. He studied at the Operation Brotherhood Montessori Center and later enrolled at the University of Santo Tomas College of Music, then shifted to the UST College of Fine Arts and Design and acquired a college degree. On the 18th of August 2007, Seguerra came out publicly as a lesbian. In August 2014, he came out as a transgender man. On the 8th of December 2014, Seguerra married model and actress Liza Dino in California, United States. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.